I picked up this little Craftsman Easy Start 4-cycle engine at a yard sale over the weekend. Guy said it had been sitting in his barn for about 15 years, and he didn't know what it came off of or what it was for, but he did need it, so I picked it up. It's a good looking little engine. It spins over freely. It's got a hung up exhaust valve. I took the spark plug out, looked in there, and it's sticking straight up, so exhaust valve stuck open. No compression, but I don't know much about this engine. It doesn't have any stickers other than Craftsman Easy Start 4-cycle. I got part of a patent number, and then it's just model number and serial number. The model number on it is 143-541142, and the serial number is 43150212. I'm guessing it's probably a 60s or 70s model little engine. I don't know. I don't really know much about small engines. I usually work on the big ones. I'm a ezee certified auto tech, so that's what I usually work on, but I got this as a project. I've seen a few on YouTube, and a few old engine builds and restorations, and I thought I might try my hand at it. A little something to keep me occupied. But yeah, this is just first video. It's going to be a series of several of them. I'm going to take it apart, take it down, see what we can figure out with it. Hopefully try to get it running. It's got a V-belt clutch on it. Old gas tank, just straight 1/2 inch NPT threaded pipe for exhaust. It's got a cool little air filter on it. I really like this. It just looks awesome. Had a foam filter in there that was disintegrating, so I took it out, but just the way that looks and sticks out, really like it. Choke lever works, throttle linkage is stuck, and the return spring is broke. But yeah, we're gonna take it apart and see what's wrong with it, get it cleaned up, try to at least get it running, and then might tear it down and do a full overhaul and restoration on it. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but we'll figure it out as we go.